Carl's getting upset. All right, here we go, Carl. Turn your left to me. All the way left. Take a deep breath in. Come on, deep breath. Breathe. Remember, breathing changes your physiology. Turn your right. All the way right. Good. Squeeze your knees together. Back, head back to center. The sacrum is off. You guys see that?
Yeah, I love it when
Sacrum totally
the
down.
tests that I do.
Sacrum totally down. It's work to do there. So the nerves that go to your colon, bladder, and reproductive system. Right? 3L4L5. Turn off the left. Yeah, that's because you've been getting adjusted so often. That's why your reproductive system works so well. Your left atlas is subluxated. Because your right C5, C6 on the right. Okay. And why don't you just put your right side up to me? Do some nice. There you go, got it. Nice job. Here's you going back? You're not done yet. Dr. Cole get his power turned on. Can you have this thing for a second? Slow it down.
What?
Slow it down. Carl, you already got to do some small.
Now it is.
Nice. Ready to move the cinder roll on it. Ready. You're ready. Nice. Beautiful. That's yours.
Not bad on my back.
Yeah, it opens the constituents in the lumbar spine too. It's beautiful. Hips and knees, you get a complete adjustment. We're going to do a little bit. Over. Look over. Nice, beautiful. There you go. There's your adrenals. How to get a little lower for the adrenals. Kidneys, adrenals, left side here. Let's just check it first. Look at that, center balance. Finding my upper cervical recoil table.
Great.
It's really beautiful. Now we do a little angry. Let me just recheck you real quick. This one, I just want you to just keep your teeth together. This one really just a little shake that thing. Roll it up. Roll. Okay, you see arms and hands again. Right on. He's balanced and ready to serve.